Hello, my name is Grace Hanlon. I'm the arts counselor here at Alfred University. When you are thinking about building a portfolio, there are a couple of things that you should keep in mind. We often refer to them as the 3 C's, being craftspersonship, creativity, and character. So that craftspersonship would be really making sure you are making your pieces a couple of times, putting all of your effort into that, and we can really see that you've experimented with this medium and really put your whole heart and soul into it. That creativity, thinking about what is a little bit different about your work. If you're having an assignment in school, how are you really making that your own and putting that into your artwork? And of course, character being really conveying who you are as an artist, what you're trying to say with your work and what you're trying to tell the rest of the world. So those are just a few things to think about while you're creating your portfolio. I can't wait to see what you make.
Hello, my name is Trevor Bennett. I'm the director of the Foundations program here at Alfred. And I'm here today to kind of talk a little bit about what it means to apply to this thing. What kind of portfolio process are we really doing here? I'll give you a little bit of tips, I guess you could say, as to how to really succeed in your application. There are some particulars in terms of what we're expecting to see. You can find that information on our website, on our application process. But those particulars are skewed towards observational skills. What I mean by observational is that we're looking to see how are your eyes working and what do you think about the things that you're looking at. We can tell what you think about the things that you're looking at by the marks that you're making. So when we request to see a few examples of observational drawing, that's why we do that, is to see what is this person actually noticing. Your portfolios are reviewed by a panel of experts who have looked at a lot of portfolios. And they're looking for these little nuances that you might not even realize are there. We can see your personal investment in the work by looking at the way that you move your tool and the way that you're translating the things that you see. Successful portfolios are those that have a lot of committed work. Another way of saying that is iterations. We really value iterations. We can tell if a drawing is the first time you tried it or the 10th time that you tried it. And more often than not, somewhere in this line of drawings that you've been playing with, there's one in there that really stands out. And that's the one that I recommend that you show. So that's a good tip that I have for you is give yourself some time. Maybe your portfolio, you think, it doesn't yet have that standout piece, or it doesn't show iteration, or it doesn't really show observational drawing. Observational drawing is quick. It can be very fast. And so carve out a weekend for yourself. Do 100 drawings and find the one in there that is really singing and show it to us.
Hi everyone, my name is Maria Bentley. I am the Assistant Dean for the School of Art and Design at Alfred University. I'm an alum of our BFA program, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the portfolio process for the School of Art and Design here at Alfred University. Our portfolio requires 15 to 20 pieces. Of those pieces, 4 of those have to be drawings from direct observation. Trevor and Grace talked about the 3 C's, what those drawings should be, what you should include in those drawings. But the portfolio as a whole is an opportunity for you to tell us who you are. Why do you want to be a maker? Why do you want to be at Alfred? And why do you want to be a part of this multidisciplinary program? The best advice that we can give you is to be honest, to be genuine, to show us who you are. Why do you want to be here? And what makes you different from your classmates and from everybody else out in the world of makers? Why are you seeking this unique opportunity to explore within the arts here at Alfred? With your portfolio, you are going to submit those images, but you also have a unique opportunity to tell us who you are in your essay, in your letters of recommendation, and also in your description. When you submit your portfolio, you're going to go to SlideRoom, alfred.slideroom.com, and you're going to create your account. Make sure you have the same email that you're using for your academic application as you're using for your SlideRoom application. With those, there's going to be an opportunity to put in the title, medium, dimensions, and a description of the work. This is a great opportunity to tell us what you're thinking about, what you're exploring. What is the piece? Is it a classroom assignment? Is it something that you're interested in researching or exploring? Or is it an opportunity for failure or research or risk taking? Those are things that we want to see. Don't be worried about the highlight reel. Don't be submitting 20 perfect pieces. That's great, but we're going to see multiple portfolios that look like that. We are looking for students that are willing to be creative, to take risks, to have opportunities for critique and feedback. So really think about what are those things that light you up. Our motto is Fiat Lux. So show us your light, show us what you want to explore, and why do you want to be a maker here?